Hello family, you are welcome back to my channel. Here is Rhema Healthy with your home of healthy recipes. Thank you for clicking on this video. To my returning subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for sharing my videos and also for your likes and comments. I really appreciate them. So in today's video, we are going to make a homemade condensed milk, and I'm going to show you a very interesting secret to a perfect and delicious homemade condensed milk. All right, so to begin, I have here 1 liter whole milk, and the next I am going to add is about 200 grams of sugar. I'm going to whisk this and make sure that I don't get any lumps in this, which is very important. And when you are making this at home, you want to make sure that you whisk or stir this intermittently, okay? And you are going to do this under medium heat because you don't want it to burn. I'm using a stainless steel saucepan, and you know how it is. If I don't continue to stir this, it means when it gets burnt, I'm going to get the whole process messed up. Okay, so it is very important. So guys, if you're still watching me at this time and you're still not part of this wonderful family, you want to click on the subscribe button. You want to turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. All right, so you can see that we are almost there. It has already changed into color beautifully, and on we go. Okay, so I'm going to off my heat and then add baking soda. This is going to do the magic. So I'm going to give it a mix and also leave it to rest. And as I'm going to show you, it's a little bit lighter, but it's going to get thicker later on when it's cool down. And like you see, it's not going to be like this again, and even when you keep it in the fridge, it's going to be more thicker than imagined. And at this point, it really tastes yum. My goodness, I love the taste. Okay, so you want to know that when you're making this at home from our side, it's really a little bit costly than getting it from the supermarket, but you get to enjoy the best when you make this at home. So that's the reason why you want to make your own homemade recipes without preservatives and all that, and it's very, very important. So guys, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't that already. Share to other people, okay? And like, comment. I want to see your comment in the comment section. I really appreciate the support and everything. May God richly bless you. Stay safe, be good, be nice, drink enough water. Keep hydrated, okay? It is very important. Get rest, sleep when you have the time. All right, so until I come your way again next time, see you in my next video. Here is Rhema Healthy Way.